Hey, we're at the Blossom Investor Tour in downtown Toronto, Rogers Centre. We're talking to people about investing. Let's go.
I think investing can be for everybody. That's what's so great about it. It's not just a thing that is only for certain people who maybe already have money. It can be for everybody. It's just, different strategies based on what you want, and you can personalize it for yourself.
One of the things I love about investing is the flexibility and the freedom that it offers. Investing doesn't cater to one age. I think it caters to everybody, and it's very inviting.
Can I just first say how incredible this is? Can we just give a round of applause?
I love investing because I can get rich, and it's not gonna make me broke. If you're good with your money, you save, you know your expenses, and you invest, you will never, ever, ever be broke.
It's something you learn slowly, and your interest develops, so you get better as you invest more.
I finally have control and the wealth and the knowledge of finances, controlling what I spend it on, and the freedom of retiring early.
All right, that is a wrap for the Blossom Investor Tour. And if you want to learn more about investing, make sure to subscribe to the Global X YouTube channel.